And now this. No criminal charges for Lois Lerner in the IRS targeting scandal. The Justice Department announced it Friday afternoon. Kind of one of those dumping bad news when everybody is napping. All right, all rise. Judge Napolitano is here. So, she did absolutely nothing criminally illegal.
Well, I profoundly disagree with this. This is the unfortunate dark place in American history and American government where politics and law enforcement intersect. And sometimes the Justice Department, and candidly, Justice Departments of both political parties, doesn't matter who's in the White House, have done this and just decided it's better for us or for the country if we don't prosecute. But if you look at this from an objective point of view, is there enough evidence to present to a grand jury to persuade the grand jury that it's more likely than not that she committed a crime and that the government can prove the crime? The answer is absolutely yes. The destruction of emails, the targeting of individuals, the abuse of power, the obstruction of justice. I mean, there's a long litany here for which she could have been charged.
Is this a case of President Obama telling his Justice Department, don't do anything criminal with Lois Lerner?
Not quite that directly, with a little bit more subtlety and without the president's fingerprint, so to speak, on it, yes.
Now, if she did not, if she's not going to be prosecuted for any criminal act, can she be prosecuted for a civil act?
Meaning, can she be sued?
Yeah, can she be sued?
Well, probably not. I mean, the government has written immunity laws for itself to prevent people who are harmed by its behavior, except egregious intentional behavior, from suing.
She walks free?
She walks free. I would think that if someone sued her, a judge would be persuaded under the law, and again, I disagree with the law, but this is what it says, that the exercise of discretion of government officials is immune from liability. Otherwise, the courts would rule that every time somebody in the government made a decision, they would do so under fear of litigation.
No wonder this was buried on a Friday afternoon.
Yes.
When everybody hoped the media was not watching. Because
now, you want a little more, Ajita. There's another well-known person being investigated by the Justice Department who may have lied under oath last Thursday when she testified before the House Benghazi Committee. Not the same team of investigators, not the same team of FBI agents, not the same standards, one would hope.
I understand, and that's Hillary Clinton.
Yes.
And you're going to tell us about that in the 11 o'clock hour.
I hope so.
But back to this Lois Lerner. I think that's one of the worst things that I've ever heard about American government. The idea that you would use the IRS like a third world banana republic, or whatever you want to call it, to get a hold of the election process and go directly against the president's own political party, to interfere with the machinery of government, to use it against individuals in an election is appalling.
Stuart, the laws establishing and regulating the IRS were intentionally written in a vague manner so that either party, FDR, LBJ, JFK, Richard Nixon, could use the IRS to their political advantage. And Congress has yet to tighten up those laws to prevent anybody from doing that.
Well, that's the first thing they should do in the new Congress whenever it takes its seat.
Don't hold your breath.
All right, Judge. We'll wait with bated breath your appearance at 11 o'clock this morning.
Okay.
Yeah, we do, actually. A lot of people do, believe me.
Thanks,
Thanks Judge.